DSA, a term that has become the ultimate buzzword among programmers. It is so glorified that you would think it was the secret sauce to coding nirvana. When you ask a principal engineer how he got into Google, 99.9999999% of the time, he will tell you to grind leet code. But in fact, what he meant to say is, build your problem-solving skills and master DSA by grinding leet code. The thing itself is an abbreviation of two things: data structures and algorithms. It is so important that you are literally required to watch this video, because today we are going to find out who this elephant is.
Who are you?
Who is but the form following the function of what, and what I am is a man in a mask.
Well, I can see that.
Let's start with the structures. But first, bring out your notebook because you need to write this one down. A data structure refers to the manner in which data is arranged in a computer's memory. That's all. Wait, were you expecting more? You've heard the principal engineers mention things like linked lists, hash maps, binary trees, stacks, and all other kinds of shit. Yes, those are data structures. All the various types of data structures have their good sides and their bad sides. Some make it really easy for you to look for data items when you need to, but make it really hard if you ever need to add a new item to what's already there. Why the hell should you care? Good question. Almost all the time, you'll be working with data as a principal engineer. It could be any kind of data. It could be data meant to represent real-world entities or data for our programs to function properly. Some data structures even directly model real-world situations. An example of this is a queue. The point is that as a principal engineer, you are definitely going to be working with data a lot. And because of this, you would want to know how to best arrange it in memory for your use cases. Unless you don't want to become a principal engineer. If you don't, I don't care. Let's move on to the algos now. An algorithm is a way of life of a group of people. I'm sorry, scratch that. That's what culture is instead. Let's take it again. An algorithm refers to the way data items are manipulated in their structures. This could be inserting new data items, searching for an item, or sorting items. More formally, an algorithm can be defined as a finite sequence of steps that describe how to solve a problem. You can think of it as a recipe. After all, programmers cook.
Let him cook now! Let him cook! I said let him cook!
As we all know, there are many ways to kill a cat. The goal here is to find the best way to solve a problem, and by doing so, we improve the efficiency of the programs we write. Efficiency is a good thing.
Verily, this vichyssoise of verbiage veers most verbose, so let me simply add that it's my very good honor to meet you, and you may call me
DSA. All I'm trying to tell you is that it is important for us to learn about DSA because this will make us capable of solving more problems in the best possible ways, and that's a typical trait of a principal engineer.